Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have the remote, batteries, and the TV on. Start now. First, put fresh AA or AAA cells in the remote and make sure the TV is on the correct input. This ensures feedback when a code works. Next, find your remote's code list or plan to use the auto search method because codes differ by brand. Once done, point the remote at the TV, press and hold the programming or device button until the LED lights. This places the remote into programming mode. Now you continue with the core programming step, manual entry or auto search. If you have a code, type the 3 to 5 digit number and press power to test. The TV should respond so you know why it worked. If you don't, use auto search. Hold the designated button like CH plus or SET and cycle through codes. Release when the TV turns off or mutes. Make sure to press power or OK to lock that code because otherwise the remote will keep scanning. Finish by verifying every key you use: power, volume, input, and menu. Press each function to confirm the TV responds consistently, and then save the code per the remote's instructions. If something fails, don't panic. Replace the batteries, move to 3/6 FT distance, and repeat the auto search because IR angle and battery voltage affect detection. One key troubleshooting tip: if scanning never finds a match, try the remote's learning mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.